Today I will show you how to download Killer Bean Unleash Mod APK using a safe modified download link. So make sure you hit that like button before we start. Right now I will show you. You see where I am showing you the an arrow that is the Killer Bean bullet that I use this modifier link to download, guys. Right here as you see that an arrow. So like this video right now. To like this video, so I'll show you now how to download this bullet app, right? So this is the modified download link. Now you're going to click on that download link. Click on it. That an arrow that I'm pointing. Now you click on it. Now you're going to follow this step. Click on download again. Then I'm going to click on details. Guys, click on details to see the file. Right over there, you're going to see that your Killer Bean is downloaded. Where I'm pointing. Yes, that is the files, guys. So you have to wait on it till it finish download right now. Yes, as you can see, it's almost finished, guys. Soon as it's finished, I will show you another trick to use. So do not skip the video, so you don't miss out on the important details, guys. Do not skip the video, please. Yes, if you skip the video, you're going to miss out on the important instructions, so do not skip it. So watch it till the end, so you're going to get it 100%. So wait until it complete right now, guys. So right here, it finished download from that process that I showed before. Now you're going to click on that files right now. Click on it. Tap on install now, guys. Now you're going to see the file is installed in. So I'm waiting on it until it complete, guys. So wait on it till you see it done are open. So I'm going to wait on this file until it. So I'll tap on open right now. Tap on open. Now you're going to see this app is loading up now, everyone. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly for me. So this is the app is open. Yes, the QR been unleashed app loading up right now. So let's see. Now you're going to see that your Killer Bean Unleashed download now. So you're going to follow this step to make it work now, guys. So let I show you the step that you're going to follow. Now you're going to go to store. No, guys, go to store first to activate this weapon. As you see it, on the weapon activate now, guys. So what you're going to do now, click on play. Then click on play now. You're going to click on any store you want. So I click on Mecha level 2. Yes, right in this video right now, I'll show you that the bullet are also switching in any map that you want to play. As you see, yes, switching. So you're going to go to the link in my comment section to get it. Yes, this is the website in my comment section. So you're going to click on that link right there to see that modified download link, guys. Yes, this is the modified download link. Just click on it to download your Killer Bean right now. If this video really help you, comment Killer Bean in the comment section so I can know your thoughts about this Killer Bean hack modified download link, guys. I hope this video really helpful. So press the video on the screen. That will show you how to get unlimited life. Your life cannot move, guys. So watch the video on the screen right now.